So here the numerical where we have to determine the values of voltages or a current through 5 ohm resistor. Okay, and we have to solve this method using a nodal analysis. Okay, so here we can see here we have a 10 ohm current source and 10 volt voltage, 20 volt voltage source. Okay, this is the ideal voltage source because no element is connected in series with the 20 volt, but here I can see the 5 ohm resistor is connected in series with the 10 volt. Okay, so your first step will be convert this voltage source into an equivalent current source. Okay, convert it. This is your 10 ohm resistance. Yes, this would be as it is. Here the voltage source, here the current source in parallel with the element, an element. 10 ampere, 3, 2, 1, 20 volt. Here it would be 10 by 5 is 5. Direction is upward. This would be 5. Yes, 5 ampere. 5 ampere 10 by sorry 10 by 2. So this is your 10 by 5, so it would be 2 ampere. Sorry. And the given our points are V1, V2, V3. Okay, 3 nodes are given. Okay, and one more node we are considering the reference node 4, that is V4. So the potential at reference node is 0. Always the potential at the reference node is V4 is 0. So here which node to be considered as a super node? Where an ideal voltage source is connected, that is V2 and V4 will be considered as a single node, that is a super node. Means how many equation will be there? First we will apply the KCL at V1 and then at super node. So solve, apply KCL at node 1 at node 1. So starting with this is 10 minus for this branch V1 in between V1 and V4. So V1 minus V4 upon 3 minus, then it is again connected between V1 and V2. So V1 minus V2 upon 2 equal to 0. So solve this. After solution we will get, take the current source on left hand side, rest of on the right hand side. So 1 by 3 V1, V4 is 0, plus 1 by 2 V1 minus 1 by 2 V2. So it would be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 V1 minus 1 by 2 V2. This would be your equation number 1. Now this is clear with the node 1. Now we will apply the KCL at the super node. Okay, apply the KCL at super node. Okay, starting with this super node, in between the super node, so minus V2 minus V1 upon 2 minus, which is connected, second कौन सा connected है, V2 and the V4. So minus V2 minus V4 upon 1. Then कौन सी branch connected है, this branch. Again it is to the upward, so it is a plus 2 ampere. Next is connected this branch 5, that is minus V3 minus V4 upon 5 minus, now this one V3 minus V4 upon 2 equal to 0. All the branches are considered 2, 1, 2, 5, 2. Okay, all is done. Now solve this. So keep the current source on left hand side, all are equal to this. So this would be 2 equal to 1 by, okay, keep it on left hand side, 1 by V2 minus 1 by 2 V1 plus 1 V2 आ जाएगा ना, 1 by 1 है, so it is will be 1 V2, then plus 1 by 5 V3, V4 is 0, this V4 is 0, so plus 1 by 2 V3, is it? So the final equation will be 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 V1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 V2, okay, and the last plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 V3. This is your equation number 2. Clear? This is your final equation. Is it? So now here, now we go for this potential. We got here V in between V2 and V3. In between V2 and V3, two voltages are one voltage source, that is 20 volt. V2 and V3 potential is 20. Potential difference between V2 and V3 is 20 volt. So on the basis of which polarity? Tell me the polarity of V2. This is connection V2 and the V3. Is this positive or negative? It is positive, and this one is negative. So V2 is positive and the V3 is negative. Okay, so this will be your equation number 3. Done. So now we have 3 equations: equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Solve this 3 equation in calculator and tell me the answer. V1, V2 and the V3 fast. Okay, so after the solution we get 3 values of voltages: V1, V2 and V3. Okay, so now in question what was the question? कौन सी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी थी? विच वैल्यू इज टू बी डिटरमाइंड? वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द current through 5 ohm resistor. Okay, so current through 5 ohm resistor is in between, it is connected in between 5 ohm कहाँ था? मेन 5 ohm is connected in between what? This two branch, V3 and the V4. So it would be V3 minus V4 upon the 5, and we know the value of V3 and V4. So tell me the answer. I5 equal to current through 5 ohm resistor will be minus 1.6842 ampere. Okay, so this is your final answer. Always we have to go for first voltages and then whatever the answer question